climbing back up again.
There's a plane.
A crop duster.
It's on the other side of the trees.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Super low to the ground. So wait, it's like spraying it for pesticides, right?
Yeah.
So weird.
And he might be spraying more than one person's crops too. See, he looks like he's making a run coming this way now. Probably to spray this field.
He's coming right at us.
Yeah, he is. He's gonna get pretty close. Here he comes. He's coming down, coming down, coming down. Sweet.
Whee! Alright, so I am in the line. Stanley Cup is over there. Let's go.
Remember
I
to be
actually
ready
see
to
the
put your
cup.
stuff inside the wagon. The wagon will
Right there.
follow you through the photo process. That way when you get up there, you don't have to be figuring out what to do with your stuff.
On YouTube.
Yeah. Alright, so we just saw the Stanley Cup and it was pretty fun.
And I
You
saw
guys
it for the second time.
Yeah, he saw it for the second time. When was the last time you saw it, Grandpa?
1991,
And when was that?
when the North Stars were in the Stanley Cup Finals.
And they lost.
Oh, well, let's not talk about that.
Yeah, he's like Minnesota North Stars fan. He knows everything. Like, who was their goalie at that time? Let's quiz you.
Jeez, I can't remember.
Wasn't it like Turk or something like that? Turk Broda? Or was it that other guy?
I remember one goalie. His name Gump Worsley. He was a real long time NHL goalie.
Was he like Gordie Howard where he just played till he was like
He played
really old?
pretty late in life. I can't remember how old he was, but I remember when we got him. I think we were the last team he played for, if I remember right.
Oh, so he played for more than one team?
Yeah. Look him up. Gump Worsley.
Okay, I will do that.
Worsley, I believe.
Okay. I will. Oh, we also might be in the newspaper because there's
Wilmer
some
newspaper had a reporter.
Yeah, Wilmer. So Wilmer, Minnesota. It's like the newspaper. We might be in the newspaper because there's this dude, and we're like, oh God, who is this guy? What does he want from us? After we got our pictures, and he asked us like a little bit about it, and
Well, he told us he was a reporter.
yeah, and then so we answered like 5 questions, and so if you want to
And
see
he
what
took
we
our
said,
names, wrote
Yeah,
it
yeah.
down.
that's my grandpa Mike, right?
You know?
Yep. And so we just kind of told him, we were like, he was like wondering where he came from, and we were like 3 hours away from here, and
And how you heard about it.
oh yeah, because I just wanted to see the Stanley Cup. I was like, I wonder what it'd be like to see the Stanley Cup, because I probably won't ever be able to get to a final game, especially one of the last 3 games. And so this dude was like, asked us like a bunch of questions, and it's like, we also got this weird thing. It's $1 million. So some dude was just giving these things out, and it's backwards for you guys, I think. Yeah, because the logo's backwards. But if I had a Capitals jersey, I would have worn that, but I don't, because I hate the Capitals, especially because of the jersey I'm wearing. Do you like the Capitals?
Me?
Yeah. Do you like
Well,
the
they won the
Capitals?
Stanley Cup, sure.
That's what every bandwagon fan does. Okay, Grandpa, you want to do the outro for me? Pretty much just have to say like, subscribe, and bye. Do it.
Like, subscribe, and bye.
That was good.